Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. A friend of mine picked up an old tool at a garage sale, and he let me buy it from him because I actually don't have one of these, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys this and talk about it for a little bit. And what this guy is it's an adze. And what an adze is it's like a axe, but the blade runs perpendicular to the handle. And the old timers around here would always use these to square up logs. So if you needed a log squared up to like make yourself a 4x4 or a 6x6 or something, they would actually use these. And I knew some old guys that had several of these in different sizes. This is kind of an axe size. This handle, I haven't measured it, is probably at least 36 inches long. But this is the kind that you would use to square up bigger logs with. And this guy here is pretty beat up, even though the head on this is pretty solid. The back of the handle, somebody tried to repair. It's all split up. So the first chance I get when I get over to the Amish, I'm going to see if I can't get a good hickory or ash handle for this. And if I can't, then this winter I might grab a piece of ash off my firewood pile and then go ahead and see if I can't make this guy a little bit better handle. But the outside of this is pretty rough, so I'm going to actually soak this in a little vinegar and a little salt. That's what you use to break this this rust up, wire wheel this good, and clean this guy up. And once I got the head on this cleaned up, got a new handle on it, put a good sharp edge on this again so it can be functional. I'm going to add it to my my old tools here, my old woodworking tools, my crosscut saws, my axes, my hatchets, that kind of stuff. And kind of nice having one of these old guys around. Looked on this, don't see any markings on it whatsoever, so I'm not sure what the brand is on this or even how old this guy is. But typically these old tool heads were good, hardy carbon steel, so they'll take an edge good. But like I said, I wanted to show this to you guys. Not every day you find one of these at a garage sale or an estate sale, because I've been looking for one of these for years and just happened to, somebody I know just happened to stumble across one, which is really neat. But anyway, just wanted to show it to you guys, talk about it for a little bit. It's one of those tools you just don't see much anymore. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got a little information, a little entertainment out of this video. And now you guys know what an adze is. Anyway, you guys take care.